Well, howdy guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm on a repair job on site. And look at the site that I'm on. And there's the gentleman well, I'm not working on him, I'm working on his lawn tractor. And this is one of my nearest neighbors here in Holiday. And the tractor we're working on is over here, this Husqvarna, and it has a problem with water in the gas. I drained all the gas out of the tank. I've taken the float bowl off the carburetor 2 or 3 times. I've cleaned out the fuel pump, replaced the fuel filter, and we're still getting water. And I put dry gas or heat down in the gas tank before I refilled the tank, because I emptied the tank, but evidently there was still water in the bottom. So I didn't take you along for that because I didn't know what I was going to get into, and I was trying to get her done. But we're going to have to pull the gas tank off of this thing, and I think to get the gas tank out, I'm going to have to take these rear fenders off. So I'll bring you back when we get to that point so you can see how much fun it is. The gas tank is here underneath the seat and also under the fenders. And I think all there is a bolt down in here and another one down in here. And I think there might be, maybe, possibly enough clearance to slide it out the back. But I wouldn't hold my breath on that if I were you, because you could see the fuel tank is right up in there. So, all right then. Oh, and I wanted to show you one more thing. Now, I wanted to show you something else. I got a mail call the other day, and a friend of mine from Minnesota sent me this hat. Can you see what it says on that hat? It just said Shade Tree on it, but I added the up in the corner and Fix-It Man on the bottom. So now it says the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. That's me, right? Thank you, Micah Dubbin, Big Daddy 1992. Wonderful gift. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye now.